Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel where we discover how to create better tech using user-centered design, but also how to get into UX industry and how to survive in this industry, because it's absolutely crazy. It's nothing like you can be taught in UX courses or boot camps, and it's got lots of special things that you need to learn to be able to thrive and grow in UX space. Okay, today's video is about how we can use ChatGPT. I know, again, using ChatGPT, but this time you can use it to help you get your UX job, whether it's a new job like your first UX job or whether it's the next UX job that you want to get. You can utilize AI behind ChatGPT to get that job for yourself. So let's have a look how you can do that. Number one, you can get insights on the job market in UX space. Okay, so you can ask ChatGPT about skills and keywords that the employers are looking for currently, or recruiters are looking for currently. So you can include and incorporate those words and keywords and skills into your portfolio, into your CV when applying for jobs. Okay, so also you can get insights in terms of which platforms you can use to apply for UX jobs, which social media accounts to follow to get more UX insights. For example, you can follow me on LinkedIn, where I constantly post about my experience with UX, and so on and so on. I'm sure there's plenty of great people there that you can follow. It also will tell you about UX events and UX conferences, certifications and courses that you can take to expand your ability to get a UX job. Next up, it can give you some guidance on improving or building a good UX portfolio. So it can provide ideas again for the keywords and phrases that you want to utilize in your case studies. Also how to write about me section on your portfolio and things like that. So that's number two, how you can utilize ChatGPT. Now, next one is very simple one. It can give you feedback on your CV. So you essentially can copy and paste the CV in ChatGPT and provide description of the job that you're applying for, and ask ChatGPT to optimize your CV or your even cover letter for that specific role, which will obviously increase your chances of getting noticed or getting the role. Okay, number four is ChatGPT can give you a list of resources to improve your UX skills. So obviously we're talking about books. I don't know if people still reading books. I love reading books on UX and design subjects. There's another video where you can check my favorite 5 books that literally changed my way of working with products and looking at UX. Next up, obviously, if you don't like books, because I know some people don't like books, you can find lots of resources such as courses, or there's a lot of social media accounts that you can obviously follow to get information, such as UX Collective is one of my favorite places to read about UX standards and so on. Obviously, it will also list for you all different UX courses you can do. I mean, you have to be careful with UX courses because they're very expensive and very often don't provide information, or basically they I've done lots of UX courses, and I have to say that majority of them were a bit of a disappointment. So you have to be careful UX courses, and you have to be careful who you do those courses with, because a lot of people, they say they know stuff, but they just don't know things, they don't have enough experience. But anyway, I will talk about UX courses and the efficiency of those in a different video. And the last point that you can utilize ChatGPT for is obviously the UX interviews. So the ChatGPT, you can ask it about particular questions like that usually are being asked candidates who come for the UX job interview. ChatGPT also can suggest the best way of answering those questions, right? And also you can ask it of the best way of presenting your UX case studies. Because by the end of the day, being able to talk about your experience and your case studies is a crucial bit about UX interviews. Okay, so now you've got it. I invite you to try out those things today. I actually was playing around with ChatGPT a lot around this space, and I have to say it was very impressive how much I managed to get out of it. Okay, so if you like this video, please like it below. Also, if you like this channel, just please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any questions about UX, please write them below. I will answer them straight away. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.